With today's industrialization and lifestyle of Filipinos, studies have shown that one Filipino can generate as much as half a kilo of waste a day. The continuous stream of new products using new packaging technology in the market generates an increase not only in the volume of waste, but also an increase in the variety of waste. With the severity of the garbage problem in the country, the Congress has enacted Republic Act No. 9003, otherwise known as the Ecological Solid Waste Act of 2000, which assigns the primary task of implementation and enforcement to local government units. The law emphasizes the importance of minimizing waste through recycling, resource recovery, reuse, and composting. Waste disposal is thus a major issue that confronts local government units. It is considered of utmost priority due to health and environmental risks associated with waste. Different alternative means of waste management include the use of landfill, source reduction, recycling, treatment or recovery, and disposal. All those mentioned have positive and negative effects. But what would have to be the best solution to waste problems? The best solution to solid waste is the use of Maxisaver solid waste solution system. The Maxisaver machine and fertilizer system is an integrated materials recovery facility system invented by Dr. Luis Cervantes, which segregates biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes. After segregation, the biodegradable wastes are converted into organic liquid and compost fertilizer within 5 minutes, while the non-biodegradable wastes may be used in the production of hollow blocks, bricks, and other infrastructure materials. The Maxisaver machine and fertilizer system has 5 parts. First is the receiving feed conveyor, which receives and feeds the waste to the shredder machine. Next is the primary multi-shredder that can shred all kinds of materials, such as tires, fabric, sandbag, diapers, tarpaulin, tin can, aluminum, hard plastic, rubber sandals, among others. While the secondary pulverizer shredder is used in shredding plastic, PE plastic, soft PVC, blowing plastic, injection plastic, and sandbag. Then we have the composting shredder machine, which is used in shredding coconut husk, vegetables, leaves, and agricultural wastes to procure organic fertilizers with the following components: additive and enzyme feeder, compactor or squeezer machine, and the discharge screw conveyor. Last is the housing, which encloses the machine and components in one house for total protection. The Maxisaver machine and fertilizer system promotes zero waste as it processes and recycles both biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste into useful and income-generating byproducts. It is also efficient, as the process of producing organic fertilizer is 88% faster with Maxisaver. It is also sustainable, as it is locally manufactured. It is affordable and economical, as it is cheaper than similar imported machines. And of course, it is user and environment friendly, as it does not use a broiler, which generates heat to process the waste. Now let's talk a little more about the material recovery facility. The process of the biodegradable solid waste goes through 2 proprietary technologies. The first one would be having a machinery to process the biodegradable waste, and the second one having proprietary inoculants that converts biodegradable waste into organic fertilizer in a few minutes. Microbes decompose organic matters rapidly through the production of microorganisms of alcohol, esters, and antimicrobial substances, thus resulting to rapid multiplication of bacteria that help control odors in the process. Furthermore, they turn organic waste into a very rich humus that the process goes through 2 main stages. The first would be the sorting stage, involving segregating the plastic, metals, biodegradables, broken glass, and chemicals that go to the primary shredder. That then leads to the second stage, which is the rapid composting stage. where the second shredder is located. It is then followed by compressing, mixing, and finally, packaging. The liquid byproduct, if used as a liquid fertilizer, gets the nitrogen from the air, which helps the natural process for plants. Furthermore, if used as methane gas, it can also empower the whole waste management facility because its heating value is 10 times more than regular gasoline. The biodegradable solid compost byproduct may be used by the local government as a source of income. It may also be used to sustain and complement the agricultural industry of the constituency. On the other hand, the non-biodegradable solid byproduct may generate income when bricks, hollow blocks produced from pulverized plastics are sold, and may generate savings by using the materials for infrastructure projects of the local government units. Finally, the fiber byproduct, particularly the cocoa fiber, may be woven into rugs and decorative